Hey guys, welcome to NC Motorsports. My name is CJ.
My name is Austin. We're going to talk to you a little bit about our beginnings and more on our dealership today. So people ask us all the time, how did we get started? All this started, I was about 13, 14 years old. Grandfather was in the business and was going to auctions with him. This later transitioned me into buying and selling about 100 different vehicles by the time I was 20 years old. And those that know me well know that that is 100% true. When I was 21, I needed to get a real job. So being in the business and being this is what I love, I started working at Mannheim Auto Auctions. I was there for 8 years, some of the best years I ever had in this industry. I got to know a lot of people, and there really isn't too many dealers in the area that do not know who I am just from the experience that place gave me. So that has opened up the doors for this. We learned a lot. And with having that knowledge, we're able to bring you the best service we possibly can. So buying and selling vehicles has been a passion of mine for many, many years. We wanted to make this a reality. And in 2017, CJ and I talked about it, and we took the leap of faith and decided to open up NC Motorsports. We have been at a couple of different locations, and we're now at our current location here in Garner. That has grown as well. We started off with just a single office and a single bay, and now we're expanding into 3 bays. So how do we find the vehicles that we sell? That is our #1 question here. Many of you already follow us because of our inventory. We love 99 to 06, 07 GM trucks, the Z71 Tahoes. They're our absolute favorite. So with that being said, if you're local to us, you see our inventory, you see it fluctuate. If you follow our website, you see it fluctuate. Sometimes we have 2 vehicles, sometimes we have none for sale, sometimes we have 10, 12, 15. All that is based on what is available. We do not buy vehicles just because we need inventory. We have a very, very, very strict criteria that we need before we purchase a vehicle. If there's any sort of northern history or major rust or anything like that, we just don't buy it. We don't care. We'd rather not have that truck for you or that truck to sell. Searching for these vehicles, it's something that always goes on. We find them at auction, we buy them from individuals, some of them are trade-ins, some of them are people that simply just call us because they know that we will pay way too much money for these trucks. We have the market for it, and that's what we're known for.
So what happens when the vehicle arrives at our dealership? We bring it in, put them on the lift, they go through our reconditioning process. So we'll check them front to back, make sure there's nothing wrong with them. So if any of the vehicles that we buy need any repairs, we repair it then, but we also, after that, they get a state inspection, they get detail, then they go for pictures. So what happens when the repairs are too much? We send it back to the auction to wholesale it. It's just not worth the investment for us to retail it on our lot.
So here we are. After our photos are taken of our vehicles, they go on our website. You can find those at nc-motorsports.com.
Also like and follow us on Facebook. That's where you'll get most of our latest updates. We're located in Garner, North Carolina. Our phone number is 919-585-6309.
Check us out.